Some parents would agree that it is not an easy task to wake young children up early for school. Kids as young as 4 or 5 years old and onwards are already adapting to their parents' busy lifestyles and are therefore seen as being in a rush to grow up. What more, they are also met with various stress-related activities in school, not to mention being put in a situation of adjusting to other children's personalities. There may be people who would point out that this is a good start for these children so that they will be able to assimilate earlier into how the present society really works. But educators such as the late Raymond Moore, who already worked with various public schools and institutions in the US and other countries in various high-end positions, found out otherwise. He found out through his efforts in researching the long-term effects of being taught in a standard school that there seems to be more maladjustment problems in that kind of educational setup. He wanted to emphasize the positive effects of educating children in the comforts of their own home. Having known and seen the larger picture of the educational field, he knows the basic principles in the handling and promoting of ideas to recipients. In this case, the children's talents and skills are enhanced with less emphasis on structural learning and stringent textbook-based lectures and more on hands-on interactions. Early age habits at home. As explained in Erikson's psychosocial development theory, young children in their play age 3 to 6 are still learning to grasp the basic concepts of their physical world. They are prone to discovering things and their environment, and most of these are done through play. Thus it is clearly against the natural course of development to force children of these ages to sit still in a classroom setup on a scheduled amount of time. They should be allowed to explore and learn at their own pace. As noticed by parents who sent their children to school quite young, a number of these students are already bored by the end of the school year. Some even reportedly wanted to stop school altogether. These things shouldn't be a problem if a good homeschooling curriculum is prepared for their basic individual capacities and mode of learning. Grammar, math, the sciences and interactive sports are needed to be balanced alongside activities in the community. The whole is greater than the sum of its parts, it has been claimed. Thus the outcome of homeschooling by parents who study their teaching materials thoroughly would be put to good use for their children's sound educational background. Parents are advised by homeschooling advocates to carefully look at the curriculum available for their instructions, and to see if the money they pay is well spent. Not all available materials are right for their needs, and it doesn't necessarily follow that the more expensive they are, the better they will be as a medium of instruction. A better understanding of the homeschooling principle and a good plan would go a long way. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Please stop by our site for more homeschooling info. If you are interested in a Christian, self-paced, online homeschooling course with customizable curriculum, just follow the link in the description.